Here we have this 17 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now we've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue caliper behind with the M Sport braking system. We've also got the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre and the front splitter at the bottom in black, making this front end look nice and aggressive. Now this vehicle does come with £7,500 worth of factory extras. One to mention is the M Sports Plus package. We've also got the black roof as well at the top, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, black door mirrors with the colour-coded door handles. We've also got the black shark fin antenna, and we've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. As we make our way around to the rear, you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left-hand side with the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the door here with the leather. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. Now both of these front seats are heated as well. And there is a look at those. We've also got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Now if we just take a seat inside and turn this vehicle on, so as I put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. Now we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift behind also. Onto the main screen, you can see we've got the satellite navigation. Now this is flickering, and that is just for the purpose of the video. This does not happen in real life. We've also got the Bluetooth media with the CD and the external devices. We've got the DAB radio as well, and we've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. As you can see, we've also got the main menu there and with a lot of the other functions. Dual climate control, we've got the heated seats on both sides, we've also got the heated rear window, etc. And we've also got the air conditioning, but I'm just going to turn that off as it does get quite loud. We've got the cup holders with a space for accessories, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So as I just press this button, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven as well. We've also got the traction control button here, dial with the manual buttons for the screen, handbrake, and we've also got the armrest, lift up, and you've got a space for accessories with the USB. Now if we just pop this vehicle into reverse, you'll be able to see there that we've got the reversing sensors just there, back into neutral and keeping this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to take the car into manual mode, you simply tap all the pedals and it will change gear. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and the Bluetooth phone connectivity on the right. Now we also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, which really does sound incredible, and if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, can each do 2, 3, moving 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main screen here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. For example, the Bluetooth phone connectivity and the DAB radio. We've got the dual zone climate control here for the front passengers with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we'll put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down, and then we will make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the rear parking sensors appear on the screen, back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.